Hi guys, welcome to our channel of Sciences and Mathematics. Today we're going to look at a different category of matrices, and this one still will be pertaining to a vector matrix as we defined last time, and said that an n by 1 matrix is referred to as a vector. So without further ado, thank you and welcome. So as I've said, we are going to look at a null stroke 0 vector. Now that we said how we can be able to define a vector in matrices. So these are basically matrices of order m by n, of which each entry is 0. So in this case, the I and j will be equal to 0, or the entries that we have said, which we call the elements. Each of the elements in that matrix is 0. So basically this is what we call a null or a 0 vector, and it can be made up of rows and columns. So if we say that A is a matrix that is made up of this number of columns, 4, of course, that is 1 by 4. Each of the characters or elements in that matrix is 0. We can give an example of the vectors that we talked about now that we said for a single, that's a 4 by 1. Or basically this is a 1 by 4. One row just represented as the order of matrices is represented as such, not the way I've written. So in that case, it is a matrix of order that, and each of the elements in that particular matrix represent 0. Therefore, we can be able to represent that particular vector as that. So for the 0 rows, we can have each of these elements represented at that, and for the columns, then we can have the characters or elements represented as such. So both of these, as we said that for a single column or row, they are known as vectors. Therefore, these are known as null or 0 vectors. So we shall look at specific categories and examples when we're trying to do order of operations of these vectors or matrices in our subsequent videos. So for that case, we are just trying to give a shallow definition, and that is the concept. So we're going to do these examples as I've said in some of the videos, subsequent videos. So thank you.